As part of this Jeep transformation series turning this 2019 Wrangler into a beast, this door hinge step mod is perfect for two kinds of people. Number one, person who needs easier access to their roof rack. And number two, someone who's looking for a super easy budget mod just so they can do something cool with their Jeep. After you watch the video, please consider using my affiliate link below to make your purchase. It's by far the best way to support the channel, and huge thanks to anyone who does. Also, big thanks to Hooke Road for sending me the gear to make this whole project possible. After unboxing the kit, remove the bolts from the front of the door hinge. Here you can see me do the top hinge first, but I really recommend pulling all 4 bolts from the top and bottom hinges at the same time. Be sure to keep the door shut until you fully tighten the bolts again. Because the OEM bolts are painted, the T55 Torx bit feels like it's too big, but just tap it in with a mallet and it'll seat perfectly. Please do not use a T50 Torx bit. You will likely strip out the bolt or break your bit. Break all 4 bolts loose, then whiz them off with a drill or impact. I always like to use ultra black or ultra gray or some kind of silicone to help seal the threads in applications like this. The bolt never really did seal well before, that's why people have issues with rust under the paint in their hinges, but even more so now. There's basically no seal, so the silicone, ultra black, whatever you use is what's going to help prevent water and moisture from rusting through your threads and under your paint. If you're using an impact, be sure not to over tighten the bolts. It's always a good idea to do the final torque by hand so you can accurately feel the tension. And if you want to be extra safe, look up the torque spec and use a torque wrench. Now you have the most stylish side steps around and easy access to your roof. I'm sure you can also see now why I mentioned this being such an easy install. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram. As always, thank you all so much for watching. See you on the next one.